Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a really fun way to play Dress to Impress. So we're doing this challenge where the wheel picks what player, I will be this round on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to click to spin. As you can see, there's a lot of options. So this wheel will pick what player I'm gonna be on Dress to Impress. Okay, one color only. Not loving that. But let's go and do it. I'm just gonna wait for this runway to finish, and let's start. Okay, so the theme is boho. Great. I can only use one color for this, so I'm thinking brown. I don't know what else. I don't know if I'm allowed to do shades of like brown. Which I think I'm gonna do that because I feel like there ain't no way I can just do like one color but like no shades. So I'm gonna just do that for boho. Okay, time's up. I picked brown for the color. I was gonna do patterns, but I was like thinking, I mean, it is one color, but there were like whites and stuff, and I didn't want to incorporate that with like the color scheme, so I just chose plain brown. So let's just wait for the results. Here is my outfit. I'm just gonna do a few poses here. I don't think I'll get like placed in the podium, like on the podium, but I mean, that's fine. Oh, I love this one. This one's nice. I'm gonna give it a 5. Maybe they thought hobo, not boho. Like, I'm gonna give it a 2 because I think they thought about hobo instead of boho. I don't know. Here is the final result. I did not place. I already know it, and that's okay. So that is it. That's the challenge for today. I actually got 5th. It's not bad, but it could have gotten worse. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.